Hi all, I'm Rahil Robson. I'm working as a software developer in IT department. In this video, I'll explain that how you can use Moodle for your lecture recording. So let's quickly go through all the steps. So this is my class. First of all, turn editing on. And let's suppose I want to add my recorded session here. So just click on add an activity or resource. Under activities, click on this big blue button. You can double click here or you can scroll and click on add. So you can name your virtual classroom test online class. If you do not your students to be as a viewer, you can simply delete it. Save and display. So it has created a session. You can see. In order to start, you click on join session. So as instructor, because you have to speak, you always select microphone. And if you can hear your voice back, that means your microphone is perfectly working fine. You click on yes. First of all, click on start recording, click on yes. So now all the activities that you are going to perform here will be recorded. So if you have a PowerPoint presentation and if you want to explain those slides with the students, so simply click on this plus sign, click on upload a presentation. You can drag your file here or you can simply click here. Select the PowerPoint presentation that you want to share. Open, make sure that you have selected the file you want to upload. Click on upload. And here you go. So these are my PowerPoint slides. If you want to go to next slides, you can simply click on this. So some tools are available. So let's suppose pencil. You can see, okay, and some shapes are available if you want to utilize. If you want to add some text, you can simply add text. So this is the font size. If you want to increase the font size, you can simply do this. So here is the color. You can simply select the color of your font size of your font. This is the undo annotation. You can simply undo. If you want to delete all annotations, simply click on this. So this is simple as this. And if you want to end the meeting, if you're done explaining your slides, you can simply go here and click on end meeting. I'll quickly go through another provision of sharing your slides with the students is through screen sharing. You can click here to share your screen, and if you want your students to actually see you as well, you can click here to share your webcam. I'll show you how you can share your screen. Let's suppose if you want to share your entire screen with the students, you can simply click here and click on share. And if you want your students to view a specific application, let's suppose if you have a PowerPoint application opened in your computer and you want your students to just view that, you can simply select that specific application. So, so let's just end meeting now. It will redirect you to your default course page. You can click on end session. So after some processing, our server will publish that file, and that file will be start appearing here. I will show you an example. So your files will be start appearing, your recording will be start appearing here like this. So hope this video is useful for you to start actually recording your lectures through Moodle. And if you have some questions, you can simply write us. Thank you so much for your time.